Hi everybody, out here metal detecting in the park of my nearby town, and it really is a place where the first person that lived in this town had their house. I was going to do it down there by the pavilion, which is a very old building, but Dad said this end of the park has the first house that was ever in this town, and it's right here along a major highway, so there's a lot of car traffic. So let's get started, see what we can find. Here's the area I'm going to be looking at first, and then we'll see about this little playground and over there by the pavilion. And I remember a spot over there when I was a kid where there was this like a maypole thing. I bet there's a lot of coins lost over there. All right, let's see what we can find. Okay, my first signal was this old piece of metal down there about 6 inches. All right, let's see what else we can find. All right, I found this piece of copper down about 3 or 4 inches. That one rung up pretty good. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, I got some old can slaw, and it's backwards. There's words in it, so maybe I can turn it over and read it. It starts with P. P-E per P-E-R-T-E-A-N. I don't know. Okay, I think it says Perfection's Price Entire Building and a bunch of little words down below. So that's interesting. I'll have to look this up some more. I wonder how old this is. Well, I got this antique pull tab, everybody. And I think I got the middle of it just over there. Okay, we're in a park. Well, I got these 2 items out of this hole. That nail-like thing was way down there. Oh boy. If you know anything about Perfection's Price and tire building, please let me know. And on to the next adventure. I couldn't take the cold. Today is our first snow of the winter. It is November 30th, 2023. And you're seeing the outside of the bunkhouse. It's hooked onto the garage over there. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. The middle room has 3 rooms in it. And this bunkhouse was here before the picture of the house in 1908. So this is probably built around the turn of the century or before, for the guys that worked for the owner before our family. So it's a couple weeks later after the last metal detecting video. I haven't had time to do any metal detecting this week. We've been doing leaf raking. So I thought we'd take a little tour just inside this door. Let's go. Dun, da, da, dum. So this is a storage place, actually. My dad wanted this part of the bunkhouse to be kind of like a little museum of stuff he's found mostly on the ranch. And we'll start off with this little thing here. This was actually found in this building. So it's an old shelf, has a desk thing there. It's pretty cool. And then this old apple press was here on the ranch. And Mom painted this to have for a planter. That's why it's white. But some cool old stuff, things found on the ranch. These have been used by us in the past. And we have some other storage in here. We're not done cleaning up this area and decorating. This is the original stove of this building. Pretty cool. And that shelf was actually moved in here. It was in my great-grandma's house. Yeah. So this part of the area we decorated The reason is, see all those poker playing dogs? Dad's like, what do I do with all these pictures? They're not worth much and they're not in excellent condition, so we put them up out here. And this painting, I guess, was made by my great uncle so that Mom and Dad would have a painting in their house when they got married, which I guess it didn't last too long in the house. Now, don't think bad about those stop signs over there. That was some kind of college hijinks from one of my sister's friends, not us. But we decided to put them up since what else you do with them? And that was a railroad sign that was never put up because the flood, the 64 flood, washed out the railroad. And then they had a sale of things after that. And that was one of the sale items. So we've been decorating a little bit in here. And we have another room in there that I will show you another time. But those are things Dad has collected on the ranch and kind of made it look nice. I'm not done cleaning in there though yet. So that is all for now. Kind of a short video this week. It's now snowing pretty good, starting to stick. And I took some pictures of the snowflakes with my macro lens over on the porch a little while ago. So I can't wait to edit those. That'll be fun. We were raking leaves this morning because I knew it was we'd have some precipitation this afternoon. So you can see the smoke over there. I have some leaves I burned. All right, everybody, it's winter. Woohoo! I'd like to give a little shout out for some prizes I won recently on Treasure Talk, which is on Monday nights at 4 o'clock Pacific Time, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, live from sunny Tampa, Florida. So I got the coveted towel, the coveted calendar, and a really cool book about coins. And then I'd also like to shout out Relics Radio. I won this AcuPoint pointer from them, and it just arrived today. So thank you guys. Links in the description. Relics Radio, you can find on their Facebook page a link to their Thursday night program, which is always good. Thanks, everybody. Join me in these videos for some more treasure hunting adventures. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.